Welcome back to another autoculture vlog. I just wrapped up day 2 at Tokyo Auto Salon and drove straight back into the city because today, once again, we have another secret underground car meet happening. Once again, the exact location is not disclosed, although I've already been told where it's gonna be. We're heading there right now. I have no idea how many people are gonna be at the location. Let's see if it's gonna be better or worse as last night. So let's head on to the place where it's gonna be held and let's see some cool cars again. Seems like we've made it. And here we go again, another night, another fun time. Don't want to scratch that Ferrari. More R34s. And another one. Not too bad with the, I don't even know, are those fake?
Gotta be.
I feel like that temporary number plate has gotta be a fake.
Yeah, no good.
Yeah. Nice. RPF ones, because RPF ones fit everything. Here's a midnight purple GTR. I think we saw him earlier rolling in. Someone rolling in with a R8. Quite a few S2000'S tonight. Still got more Skylines coming in, and also S2000'S. Seems like Sara Choi called out all the S2000'S tonight. I don't think I've ever seen 4 of them in one place in forever. This is a left-hand drive one as well. More S2000'S. Oh, nice, an Evo. Haven't seen that in a while. And then we have another NSX. Wow. I think that makes 4 in total now. Maybe even 5. Oh my god, another S2000, wow. it's gonna be the night of the S2000s tonight, I guess. Oh my god, and there's 4 S2000s. There's all S2000s rolling in now. I think they're just going around in circles now because there's nowhere to park. And another one over there. So the parking management has started making announcements on the loudspeaker, which means that they're aware of what's happening, which means that they'll probably call the police soon, because this is not sanctioned. Nobody booked out this place. We're just using a public parking area. So nevertheless, the party goes on and more people are rolling in. Obviously, everyone's struggling to actually park up, so I'm really curious to see what's going to happen. Oh, nice GR86. These S2000s still circling around. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh, nice 180SX that just rolled in.
Where's my friend?
So I just walked up now 1 floor above from where we were at. All the S2000s went upstairs to gather together. Let's see what we can find. So it looks like there's a lot of people here as well. Stagia. Let's find all the S2000s. Looks like a good, healthy amount of GR86s and BRZs now. Here we go. This is where all the S2000s came, and there's quite a few of them. A few of them that we haven't seen earlier. They must have come straight here. Absolutely love this Itasha one as well. That wasn't downstairs. It's kind of like a mixture of a Falcon livery as well. Wow. You can completely see the engine through the hood. There's a crazy amount of people here again today. So many S2000s here. Another cool white S15 that's properly stanced. The Rocket Bunny GTR from last night is here as well. Well, while we were chilling upstairs on the S2000 floor, it seems like a lot of cool cars also showed up down on B3. Check out this S14. Clear lowrider inspiration. It's a cool S15 as well. Y number from the base.
So many type of.
Yep. And then a really cool Supra. Just rolled in right now. Got this crazy stance Subaru Impreza here. And then check this out. Wow. That's definitely an EG. Super clean engine right here. Wow, this is amazing. This is too sick.
I was thinking about buying one of these in Thailand.
This is so amazing.
You can actually get one, someone for sale for like $1,500. Just a shell.
More Civics coming now. The modified Diablo is here as well. Finally, there's a Supra here today. More Supras now. And finally a JZX as well. Now we have a full party. More of the Civic gang. Oh, look at this one. And another Supra. And we got the Evo crew coming in now. I'm guessing this is a 6 maybe a 5. What is it? It's a 6. I was right again. And then we got an 8 or a 9. Probably not going to be written on the back, but let's see. Nope, doesn't say. So it could be an 8 or it could be a 9. So this meet was very fun, but everyone's just standing around and talking now, and all the cars are already parked and there's nobody else coming in. So we're gonna go down to Mexico and watch some street drifting. That's gonna be a lot more fun for sure.
Where's my
Here we go in Mexico. And the fun was short-lived because the popos are here already. On to the next spot. And that's it for tonight. Unfortunately, I can't post any more than I posted from Mexico for obvious reasons. But I hope you enjoyed the second edition of Secret Underground Car Meet during Tokyo Auto Salon. Tomorrow is the third and last day of Tokyo Auto Salon. I'm gonna use it mainly to go watch the drifting exhibition and then just patch up any other content that I missed or any other car that I haven't been able to shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed all the content over the last couple of days, obviously centered all around Tokyo Auto Salon. I'll try not to go quiet after January, obviously, like I did last year. We'll show a little bit more progress on the GT86 and try to attend more and more track days and stuff like that, and cover some drifting and other things that are going to be happening at the same time. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and drop a like on this video, and see you in the next one.